In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a paper tarp or Tarpapel in Microsoft Word. Creating a paper tarp, also known as Tarpapel, is easier than you might think. And with Microsoft Word, you can design a professional-looking banner or poster without any special design software. Whether you need a small banner for an event, a promotional sign, or a decorative poster, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Even if you are completely new to Word, you will be able to follow along and complete your design. To begin, open a new Word document and navigate to the Layout or Page Layout tab. This is where you can set the size of your paper tarp to match your needs. For smaller tarps, using A4 or letter size works perfectly. If you want something larger, you can set a custom width and height to fit your specific requirements. Adjusting the page size at this stage ensures that your design will scale properly when printed and helps maintain a professional look. Once your page is set, the next step is to add images, logos, or any graphics you want to include. Go to the Insert tab and select Pictures to bring your images into the document. After inserting them, adjust their size and position so that everything is balanced and visually appealing. Make sure your images are high resolution to maintain clarity when printed. You can also add text boxes to include important messages, information, or slogans. Word allows you to customize the fonts, colors, and text styles, giving your tarp a polished and professional appearance. When positioning your text and images, pay attention to alignment and spacing. Keeping elements evenly spaced and aligned creates a clean and organized layout, making your tarpaulin easy to read and visually attractive. You can move, resize, or layer text and images as needed to achieve the best composition. Once you are satisfied with your design, take a final look to ensure all text is readable and all images are clear. Saving your file as a PDF is a good option for printing, as it preserves your layout and formatting exactly as you designed it. Using Word in this way allows you to create a customized paper tarp or Tarpapel that looks professional, well-organized, and ready to print. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!